Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. In this video I'm going to be reaping a pakchoi plant. So this pakchoi is basically 4 weeks, right? Normally it can stay for about 6 weeks, right? But as you can see, it developed really fast, and so I've decided to cut it because the leaves are very huge, and it's just eating time now. Obviously we have a few blemishes here, um, but most of the leaves are fairly, they are clean, right? The leaves are clean and it is looking very healthy, right? So I'm basically going to cut this pakchoi now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove it, just pull it out from the container, right? I'm just going to just hold it like this, right? Let me just put it in the soil area, right? I'm going to just hold it like this, shake it off, right? So I went for a knife, so I don't want the leaves to break, so I'm going to take my time, right? And it's off. So here we have it. This is our pakchoi, right? Ready to be steamed, looking huge, right? And this is grown in a container, right? So here we have it in the sink, right? But I just want to point out a few things because even though we are harvesting, there's always something to learn, right? So if you look around the hedges, you see where you are noticing some kind of chlorosis happening. You see that? What do you think this is? This is potassium deficiency. So if I was going to keep this pakchoi for another 2 weeks, I would have increased the potassium levels, right? So that the new leaves coming out wouldn't basically have the deficiency, the potassium deficiency. So but what you are looking at is potassium deficiency, and potassium is basically the K in NPK, right? So we have NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Potassium is the K. Right, so here we are. This is what we have, and I'm going to wash this, clean this up, and steam it just like how I did with the callaloo. It's the same procedure. It's no different from the callaloo, right? So hope you learned something from this short video. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments here, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.